Hello and welcome to Data Engineering Explorers, and today we're going to explore data engineering concepts overview. So as we've seen before in other videos, data engineering takes part between analysis and other data products and data sources, such as here we have an e-commerce, and here we have a dashboard as a data product, and we have data engineering here in between. But what does it mean, data engineering? We have a data platform that makes able for data pipelines to run and to create data in a format that makes sense for analytical reasons, such as dashboards. And these pipelines, they are basically in this format, but I should say that these are for batch, mini batch, and micro batch, because if you're using streaming data pipelines, you probably won't need a scheduler. But as this is not, we're not focusing on streaming because it's just in specific cases you should use streaming, as it's quite expensive and may require some more maintenance than batch pipelines. I would suggest you look into batch, mini batch, or micro batch. But here we have the ingestion part. You would need to retrieve the data at a certain time, in a certain window of time. For instance, micro batch, you may use a minute, 5 minutes, mini batch 10 minutes, 1 hour, and batch once a day, for instance. Then you would transform this data, then you would store it, perhaps store it before also, it depends on what you're doing, and make available for querying or data products, as we have mentioned before. And also it's important to know that this structure for data pipeline can be used for structured data, semi-structured, and unstructured data. And okay, now we know about how data engineering plays a role, and also what a data platform is, what are data pipelines. But let's go back a bit and understand, maybe more aligned with data platform. So what is data infrastructure? What consists of? And we can say that it consists of automation and storage. And I also have a video explaining that more in depth, maybe for people that aren't aware of these concepts previously, but I'm gonna link it below. But going back to the concept, here on automation concept, we have compute engines. That is orchestration, ingestion, transformation. All of this is considered the automation part of data infrastructure. And we have here also the storage engine, because the storage engine is basically an engine that will automate some transactions made in stored data. And the storage part is basically the file format, the table format, and the catalog. So this is the data itself, and this is what manipulates the data, right? So if you look at a data platform, a data infrastructure, that's what's basically it consists of, right? And also a little reminder that when looking into data infrastructure, you need to evaluate cost, as some of these tools, especially services from clouds, can be very expensive, especially if you have loads of data. And yeah, I would strongly advise to look into that. So if you're interested, here in the channel we have a project, an ongoing project. I'm gonna link the playlist down below, but we're going to develop a high value platform, data platform in iterations, so you deliver value quite quickly and also improve on best practices. So if you're interested, please give it a look. And if this video was helpful in any way, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to. Until next time.